Welcome to How to Perform a Ritual, presented by iLookin.com. There are many different definitions of what a ritual actually is. iLookin.com defines a ritual as a religious or solemn ceremony consisting of a series of actions performed according to a prescribed order. Rituals surround us daily and help us to make sense of our world. Rituals are a central part of life, whether it be in how meals are shared together or how major events are marked. Consider weddings, births, funerals, and other major moments in life. Rituals typically are built around symbols or symbolic actions, the lighting of the wedding candle or exchanging of rings, for example. These help to provide context and provide an anchor to help us make transitions. We want to take a moment to discuss symbols. Symbols offer an opportunity to have multitude interpretations, which allows for continuity in our lives, as well as helping to understand change. Symbols give voice to our beliefs, feelings, relationships, and spirituality. As building blocks for rituals, these provide a richness of meaning to the experience. Without even using words, symbols create meaning with just an object. Each symbol is chosen to convey meaning, and anything can be considered a symbol, as long as it supports the ritual and moves it along in some fashion. There are 4 types of rituals we want to share today. First are the day-to-day essentials, which include eating, sleeping, and working. Second are the family traditions, such as birthdays and reunions. Third are the holiday celebrations, for example, Christmas, Mardi Gras, or Labor Day. And fourth is the life cycle ritual, which are the markers of milestones. It is the 4th type of ritual, the life cycle ritual, that we would like for you to explore. We all know that as people change, life situations change. Life gets realigned from time to time, and it is often important to mark the moment with a ritual. This allows us to have a space and time opportunity to consider the life change as well as the transition that is occurring. So how do rituals work for us? There are actually 5 ritual purposes. These have to do with 5 major themes of human existence. The 5 are relating. This is about the relationships in our lives, the rules and roles that are present. Changing. This holds the purpose of announcing or making transitions in our lives. Healing. This purpose is used to facilitate recovery from a hurt or loss, which allows healing or the completion of a healing process. Believing. Where we are allowed to voice our beliefs and make meanings for our life. And celebrating, the most visible and dramatic marker of change, which allows for connecting to humanity over time, honoring our accomplishments, and providing positive elements in our life. When planning a ritual, you want to consider a number of issues. Preparing the ritual requires that you understand what the issue you are trying to express. This is essential. You must consider what people you want involved and for what reason you want them involved, as well as what their participation or level of involvement will be. You want to consider the beginning, middle, and ending for the ritual and what issues you are showing by using certain people. The location for the ritual is significant and must make sense for the issue. Lastly, consider if there is a need for gift giving. Presents. How integral are presents? What does it signify and what is the ultimate purpose? Plan your ritual carefully. Rituals both make and mark major transitions through life. Rituals enable change at multiple levels, and rituals use time in ways that offer a glimpse of a cycle of life. The steps of a ritual are basic, and we have listed those here. Please take time to review each step prior to establishing and completing your ritual. Decide on the issue for which you want or need a ritual. Determine what result you hope to achieve from the ritual. Consider what symbols demonstrate and give meaning to the issue. Who do you want involved? What purpose do they serve? Where do you want to hold the ritual? What makes places like this significant? Evaluate what constitutes the beginning, middle, and end of the ritual and what each stage signifies. Perform the ritual. Evaluate, over time, the transition that occurred both literally and with emotion. Always remember that after the ritual, you will have memories of the ritual. Those memories may be rich and satisfying, be sprinkled with sadness, anger, or regret, or frustrating and that you wish you would have done a different type of ritual. Please take time to reflect on the ritual as it is important that it be used as an anchor or steadying point in your life. Rituals should help you to transition in some fashion. Please know that you can use rituals for any life issue you choose. Also feel free to do more than one ritual for an issue in order to achieve the desired result you are going for. Rituals belong to you and only have to make sense to you. We at iLookin wish you good luck and here's to a successful ritual.